Forward. Many of the people holding this book have followed the adventures of Roland and his band, his ka-tet, for years, some of them from the very beginning. Others, and I hope there are many, newcomers and constant readers alike, may ask, can I read and enjoy this story if I haven't read the other Dark Tower books? My answer is yes, if you keep a few things in mind. First, Midworld lies next to our world, and there are many overlaps. In some places there are doorways between the two worlds, and sometimes there are thin places, porous places, where the two worlds actually mingle. 3 of Roland's ka-tet, Eddie, Susanna, and Jake, have been drawn separately from troubled lives in New York into Roland's Midworld quest. Their 4th traveling companion, a billy bumbler named Oi, is a golden-eyed creature native to Midworld. Midworld is very old and falling to ruin, filled with monsters and untrustworthy magic. Second, Roland Deschain of Gilead is a gunslinger, one of a small band that tries to keep order in an increasingly lawless world. If you think of the gunslingers of Gilead as a strange combination of knights-errant and territorial marshals in the Old West, you'll be close to the mark. Most of them, although not all, are descended from the line of the old White King, known as Arthur Eld. I told you there were overlaps. Third, Roland has lived his life under a terrible curse. He killed his mother, who was having an affair, mostly against her will and certainly against her better judgment, with a fellow you will meet in these pages. Although it was by mistake, he holds himself accountable, and the unhappy Gabrielle Deschain's death has haunted him since his young manhood. These events are fully narrated in the Dark Tower cycle, but for our purposes here, I think it's all you have to know. For long-time readers, this book should be shelved between Wizard and Glass and Wolves of the Kala, which makes it, I suppose, Dark Tower 4.5. As for me, I was delighted to discover my old friends had a little more to say. It was a great gift to find them again, years after I thought their stories were told.
Simon & Schuster Audio presents The Wind Through the Keyhole, a Dark Tower novel by Stephen King.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?